wanna do, Lil D?
Buzz it out.
What you wanna do, Lil D?
Buzz it out.
Ooh.
Hey, that ain't shit, alright. She been trippin' on the nigga, that'll be when we get it right. I told you I'm coming in tonight, why is you trippin' right? She don't fuck with me today, I told her I'm gon' get it right. I done made some money, so we flexin', big ol' dress up. She say, how the fuck you feel, big Rossi, boy, you next up. I know how I feel to be around haters, I done seen it all. I done seen them niggas change shots just like a basketball. Nigga know I'm good as a bitch, but ain't no rat in me. I know if you hear me on these beats, it's all facts in me. Niggas know I feel like I'm the man up in that factory. Blasphemy, them niggas talking shit when hoes asking me. Niggas don't believe I still got it, ain't no lasting me. Nigga always talking about big Rossi, ain't no acting G. I'm a thug, bitch, so I done did it all, I did time. I done stood up on the top and I done pitched it from the mound. Nigga, remember from them niggas and started getting them off them pounds. Remember I couldn't hustle at all, then I had to make a bounce. Nigga didn't give me a thing, bitch don't even fuck with me. All that shit they said behind the fuck you really love me, man. Hey, that bitch ain't nothing with me, that nigga he ain't nothing. Hey, little nigga throwing it up, but he ain't did nothing. Hey, she been bragging about some shit other nigga said. All that shit that nigga said, the reason why that nigga dead. All my niggas get some money, half my niggas in the fed. Half your niggas still flexing, the other half them niggas dead. Why the fuck you niggas always playing with me when I'm seeing red? No, I bang that blue just like I supposed to, I handle it. 6, nigga, know about my shit, nigga. Stood up on my shit, nigga. Don't ask me for shit, nigga, cause I ain't gon' throw you shit, nigga. You mad about a bitch that I done hit and I dismissed, nigga. Fuck that and that bitch that come with you, she gon' get hit, nigga. Thug like, nigga, I'm out here really out here on that drug shit. You know how I feel to be around the fucking plug, bitch. You know how I feel to be around when they done dog you out, told you out. Nigga up in the pen, then they call you out. 2 for 1, bitch, we in that cell and we gon' do you something. My nigga done murked a lot of niggas, so he gon' shoot him something. Poke him something. Bitch, see, I'm gon' get you and I'm gon' do you something. All them niggas talking about that shit, but ain't no truth on nothing. Nigga, your nigga say he shot something. How the fuck he shot something when he ain't never dropped nothing? Nigga, everything you throwed up, you know they caught that. Nigga, you done sold your soul, little nigga, you can't buy it back. I know how they feel now, they know how it is now. You ain't never been over another nigga, how when you come pay your bills, huh? Sit up in the hot house, sit up in the hot car. Nigga smoking a lot of shit, bitches like the hot box. My nigga got a dirty gun, he did time for it. He ain't shoot the nigga who body was on it, but he ain't tell him for it. He said he my nigga now, and shit, he my nigga then. R.I.P. to all my nigga that died, you know how we done slid. Nigga talking about me, God, I already know what I done did. Alright, right there. Easy.